This story of the twin brothers, Sleep and Death, begins in a Greek symposium, a social institution for men which goes back over 2,500 years. Sleep and death go back farther, of course, but this is where we begin to find artifacts which have survived to testify to the relationship. The word symposium today suggests a scholarly convocation with high-minded purposes. Some of that went on in the Greek's version, between extended bouts of straight-out partying. This image gives you the basic idea. Lots of bearded men lying around, hanging out and drinking, with young boys entertaining. Love was in the air. Eros was talked about, sung about, and acted out. These were, in fact, carefully orchestrated events for aristocratic men. It is where the important bonds were formed that help keep society together and enable the privileged to live the good life. Food and wine were served, and the psychopharmacology was carefully calibrated by the main host, the symposiarch, who made the key decisions which determined the tenor of each event: how much water to mix into the wine, how much to make altogether, and how often to serve each round. There's your symposium. The Greek word sympotein means drink together. The drink was prepared in a large jar called a crater, designed to be carried by two men. It was their equivalent of a keg, except that the craters used in symposia were elaborately decorated, not just functional containers. This particular crater is one of the most important ones which is still around to keep telling its story. It is sometimes referred to as the Sarpedon crater, as it depicts the dead body of Sarpedon, a son of Zeus. It is also referred to as the Euphronius crater, or vase, after the painter. Euphronius produced this crater around 515 BC in the Keramikos section of Athens, the potter's quarter adjacent to the Acropolis. In fact, Keramikos is the origin of the modern English word ceramics.